Hi friends, I'm going to in this video I'm going to discuss about the zeroth law of thermodynamics. So in this law mainly we need to know about the thermal equilibrium. So thermal equilibrium, as I told you in previous video, like thermal equilibrium, that means like if two objects are in thermal equilibrium, then this two objects have the same temperatures. So that means I told you, if objects if we are taking like a two objects A and B, and okay, when they are in a contact, when they are in a contact, okay, so when they are in a contact contact, so that time this heat transfer takes place between the two objects, two bodies, and gets that same temperature same temperature. So then heat energy transfer stops stops energy transfer ener- energy transfer stop energy transfer. So then these two objects are having same temperature. So that means I told you, if object A is having T1 and object B is having T2. So that means if two objects are in same temperature, that will tell you that the two objects are in thermal equilibrium. Okay, so in this here in zeroth thermodynamics, if you take the three objects A, B, and C. So according to the definition, if A and B are in thermal equilibrium, and A and C are also in thermal equilibrium, then B and C also in thermal equilibrium So that means like if you take the objects A and B and C, then if you take if you are if you are assuming like A and B are in thermal equilibrium, that means A and B are having same temperature, and A and C are also in thermal equilibrium. That means A and C also in same temperature. That means like if B that means like this B and C also in same temperature. So if you think that like A is having temperature T1 and B is having temperature T2. So if A1 is equal to T2 and take now A is T1 and C is A3. So A is having A1 temperature, A is having A1 and B is having A2. So that means A and B are in thermal equilibrium. So and another thing is A and C have also in thermal equilibrium. That gives like B and C also in thermal equilibrium. That means like, so T2 is equal to 3 T3. So this is what like your like this zeroth law of thermodynamics. Okay, so this mainly explains about the thermal equilibrium concept, and this law introduces the concept of, this law introduces uses the concept of temperature temperature to measure the degree of hotness or coldness of the given object. So to measure the degree of hotness hotness or coldness, degree of hotness and coldness. So now the degree of hotness and coldness. So now like what is the importance? Another thing is we understand the difference, but we should understand the difference between the temperature and heat. Heat is the form of energy, heat is the energy, and the temperature is the measure, like is a parameter, like please understand here, heat is the energy, form of energy, energy, and the temperature is parameter, like a degree of hotness, like a yeah, or parameter of degree of hotness, hotness, or like, or coolness. Okay, so so what is the different like a unit here? You can take it units, uh, calorie, calorie or joule. Here degree centigrade or Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit or Kelvin. Okay, so we'll discuss this units conversion in another video. Okay, so this is the importance of this zeroth law of thermodynamics. So mainly this zeroth law of thermodynamics discuss about the equilibrium concept, the thermal equilibrium. When the thermal equilibrium takes place, like when the two objects are in thermal equilibrium, so automatically the two objects having the same temperature. So that means there is no transfer of energy taking place. Then according to the definition, you take the objects A, B and C. If A and B are in thermal equilibrium and A and C also in thermal equilibrium, so that means like B and C also in thermal equilibrium. So like if you wanted to see the like a temperature point of view, so once these two objects are in thermal equilibrium, then the temperatures, the two objects temperatures are same. So that means like a temperature T1 is equal to T2, that which are belongs to like if you take the temperature of the object A is T1 and temperature of the object B is T2 and temperature of the object C is T3. So A and B are in thermal equilibrium. That means T1 is equal to T2, and A and C also in thermal equilibrium. So that gives even B and C also in thermal equilibrium. So that means like a temperature T1 is equal to T2, T1 is equal to 3, that means automatically T2 is equal to T3. So this is what like a this thermodynamic law explains, and this law mainly introduces the another concept called temperature. So this temperature is mainly to measure the degree of hotness or coldness. So heat is a form of energy, and temperature is a parameter to measure the degree of hotness or coldness. So this heat energy unit is like calorie or joule, and temperature is in degree centigrade, Fahrenheit, or F they used to Fahrenheit or Kelvin. Okay. So this is the concept for the zero law of thermodynamics. Yeah, thank you.